Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about contractions in English. Contractions are a way to shorten words and make speaking more relaxed and natural. They're like little shortcuts that help us communicate more easily. In this lesson, we'll focus on some common contractions you'll hear and use often in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. The contractions. I am, I'm. For example, I am happy, I'm happy. He is, his. She is, she's. It is, it's. For example, he's tall, she's nice. It's sunny. You are, you're. We are, we're. They are, they're. For example, you're my friend. We're students. They're happy. These contractions are commonly used in spoken English, and can help make sentences sound more natural and conversational. So now you know about contractions in English. Remember, contractions like I'm, he's, and there are shortcuts that can make your English sound more natural and friendly. Practice using them in your conversations, and soon you'll be speaking English like a native. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use contractions to make your English more fluent and conversational. Thanks for learning with me today, and keep up the great work.